Hi, Nathan. Thanks for reaching out to us about that refinance. We appreciate it. We talk things over and we're going to hold off until interest rates fall a little further. I hear this all the time, and it makes a lot of sense. Why not hold if you're going to get a better rate by doing that refinance a little bit later down the road? Well, the problem is that's a lot like trying to time the stock market. And ultimately, what you're looking at here is mortgage-backed securities. They're mortgage bonds, and they are bought and sold much the way that stocks are. And this is what drives mortgage interest rates. It goes up, it goes down, it's highly volatile, and sometimes it can change almost overnight. So when we reach out and say, hey, now's the time to do a refinance because you can lock in a lower interest rate and you're going to have a break-even point near term, as in 12 months or less, that's absolutely the time to do it. And the reason is because nobody can really call the bottom every time, because that bottom doesn't exist until the market reverses. And when it does so, things change very, very quickly, and that pricing is no longer there. So if you miss that opportunity to lock in your lower interest rate, it's costly because you're going to continue to pay that higher interest rate for a long period of time. In fact, sometimes it can be a year or more before you get another refinance opportunity. So waiting and choosing for the market to go your direction, that's a bet, and it can be very costly if you call it wrong. What we do is we try to take the guesswork out of it. We structure your loan so that you are having a break-even point in 12 months or less. If it doesn't come into that, we'll tell you to wait. If it does, though, and the market continues to get better and rates fall further, then you can do another refinance and you haven't lost much, if anything, because you're not having a break-even point that's a long way out in the future. So what you need is not perfect timing. You need a structure that takes the guesswork out of it, and that's what we build. Call me, let's discuss your situation, and let's see if now's the right time. In the meantime, here's the legal stuff. Thanks for watching.